Every day our planet silently paints a story that leaves us amazed. A sudden tornado shakes the peaceful land. A bolt of lightning rips the sky like a wake-up call. A creature appears in a way you've never seen before. This isn't a movie trick. This is real life, vivid and unannounced. Get ready, because you're about to embark on a journey of unforgettable moments. The avalanche tore through the Argentine mountainside like thunder. The sound echoed through the mountains and forests, leaving everyone who witnessed it speechless with amazement. Amidst the thick clouds in Queensland, lightning flashes like a sign from the sky. So beautiful it takes your breath away. The white cotton fibers you see on the ground are actually tiny clumps of fiber. Even the slightest breeze can blow them away from the parent plant. They are highly flammable, so be careful when walking through areas covered in them. Eels are born in the Sargasso Sea and begin their mass migration, drifting with the ocean currents to Europe and then settling in fresh water. This video captures the rare moment a newborn eel begins its incredible journey. The Great Migration of tumbleweeds. They roll and move en masse in the wind, looking like a silent army marching across the vast steppe.
Gila.
Bisa berkata-kata lagi gua.
Buan panjang ya.
Anjay.
Disiram terus.
Disiram terus.
The scenery at Mount Taylor is both breathtaking and chilling, a place where nature shows off its majestic beauty, but also reminds people to always be respectful and cautious. The African flower mantis, a natural beauty with its vibrant colors and living flower-like shape, is both alluring and a master of camouflage in the wild garden.
Guys.
Long rows of cumulus clouds arranged parallel to the wind direction look like white waves drifting across the sky, creating a majestic and rhythmic scene of nature. In Shanghai, a huge storm with strong winds blew away a series of tents. Luckily, no one was inside when the accident happened.
Oh my God! Not getting that.
In Iceland, when summer comes, the ice caves become more magical than ever. Tourists in Belarus experienced a terrifying moment when a tornado suddenly swept through Palatsk while they were driving. Nature spares no one. A rare fire tornado erupted in the middle of the Route National Forest as firefighters battled the blaze, a rare and extremely dangerous moment. In Busan, South Korea, waves suddenly broke through the seawall, flooding deep into residential areas, once again showing that the ocean can cross the boundary at any time. Wow. This fish has sharp spines to defend itself when touched, both as a survival shield and to help balance the ecosystem. At first glance, I thought it was a rock. The Tree of the Earth appeared on the tidal flats of Poyang Lake, Jiangxi, a magical scene like a natural masterpiece in the heart of China. A section of hill near Binlang Bridge, right at the entrance to Triotin Park, suddenly collapsed. Always be careful when going through steep terrain. Southwest Missouri was suddenly engulfed in flash floods after a heavy rainstorm. Nature never needs warning to show its power. Breathtaking moment. A lucky man escapes raging floodwaters. Remember, never bet your life on floods. A strange creature was discovered off the coast of Japan, Helicos salpa, a rare sea creature with a transparent body and emitting a mysterious aura in the middle of the ocean. Wow!
Panjang, naik lagi malam ini.
Loncat lagi. Panen lagi. Wih, panen. Nyari. Nyari mana ini? Nyari ini.
Don't be fooled by looks. It's not sand. If you see this phenomenon on the water, leave immediately. Whatever it is, nature sometimes has mysteries that should not be explored too closely. The moment a powerful storm swept away an entire wedding tent in Bihar Sharif, eastern India, was captured on camera, a scene that left everyone speechless.
अरे पंडाल उड़ गया।
Fireflies glow in the dark, tiny lights twinkling in the quiet night. Wow!
Wa muliniya.
Dreda. Inira kwa mete. Yeah.
Muzuri.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Jesus Christ.
Tornado destroys Starbucks. Nature never warns. Always follow weather warnings to protect yourself and your family.
Oh my God, Starbucks just got blown over. There's people in there.
In Jonesboro, Arkansas, a violent tornado ripped through with terrifying force. Oh my God, the scene was so intense.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Have you ever witnessed a landslide while at the beach? Moments like these are both rare and unforgettable. Share your experiences. Nature always knows how to surprise people with spectacular flashes of light without warning. Lake Hillier is a stunning pink lake located on Middle Island, Western Australia. Wow. The Cumbre Vieja volcano erupted, sending a column of ash into the sky, a majestic sight that makes it impossible to ignore the movement of this planet. In the blink of an eye, a car was swept away in the raging flood. Natural disasters always come unexpectedly and leave nothing behind. Hurricane Zeta ripped through Mexico, tearing roofs apart like shredded paper. Nature unleashed its fury in a way no one wants to witness. This storm turned the sky a strange purple color. I don't know why, but it felt creepy and unsettling.
गाइस हम लोग खड़े हैं अभी पुगा के हॉट स्प्रिंग के पास लद्दाख में और ऐसा बोला जाता है कि भाई इसका पानी है ना बहुत ही गर्म होता है एकदम बॉइलिंग वाटर.
Steam rising from the cold ground creates a wild and mysterious scene in the heart of the Himalayas.
बहुत गर्म है लिटरली बहुत गर्म है. अगर ऐसा लग रहा है ओह यार चेहरे पे पड़ गया. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म है मतलब आप डायरेक्टली इसके अंदर तो नहा नहीं सकते लेकिन
I'm not going anywhere.
The images from Montecito are terrifying. Flood waters rushing into homes as if they were about to sweep everything away in just minutes.
And God, I pray for everyone here. It's gone down 6 inches. It's already gone down 6 inches.
Sparks fly as wind blows off roof and hits power lines in Indiana. Always stay away from downed power lines after a storm. They can be deadly. Coral spawning is a magical phenomenon where they release eggs and sperm into the water, creating a rain of life under the sea, a cyclical event influenced by temperature tides in the phase of the moon. This is called hatok mushroom, also known as elephant dung mushroom or shimi in Japan, a unique mushroom with an odd shape, often growing in damp places rich in organic matter. Lightning streaked across the night sky in Denver, North Carolina, a powerful reminder that nature can be unpredictable. In Spain, rising floodwaters left a car drifting aimlessly through the streets like an aimless boat. We really appreciate you staying until the end. If you find this content interesting or special, don't hesitate to click subscribe to join us in discovering more magical journeys. See you in the next video, where nature always has surprises for you.